I've been teaching on Preply for 4 years, and this is what I think of it. Preply offer learners the opportunity to take one-to-one classes with potential tutors, and it also allows learners the opportunity to take either 25 or 50-minute classes. But for me personally, most of my classes are 50 minutes in length. Preply is a very flexible platform where I can schedule in classes which kind of fit around my schedule. So if I'm working in the morning, I can schedule in classes in the evening. I first registered with Preply back in 2016, and I hadn't completed my registration until March 2021, the height of the pandemic. For 4 years now, I've been very fortunate to have taught a range of different courses. I've taught exam preparation classes, particularly for students who want to take the IELTS exam, enter UK universities, as well as other English-speaking universities. I've taught corporate clients business English, and finally, young learners. And it's such a rewarding experience to teach a wide spread of students. You won't get bored. Preply offer potential online tutors the opportunity of finding students. However, there's a little bit of work that you need to do to ensure that you find the best suited students for your classes. I would recommend anyone that's looking to register and teach on the Preply platform to think about what you want to teach, the courses you want to deliver, the specialization that you want to offer potential students, as well as the style of teaching that you have. When it comes down to the niche or the specialization, I like to look at it with my English teaching hat on. So for example, I could be teaching airline English or medical English, legal English, business English, IELTS preparation classes, as well as general English. So whatever you're teaching, have a think about what you're passionate about and think about what you could offer which is unique to you. This pays off in the long run because you're going to be matched using Preply's algorithm with potential students who are best suited for you. So if you're going to be teaching business English, for example, you're going to be matched with students who want to study business English. If you're going to be teaching medical English, you're going to be matched with students who want to study medical English. On top of that, tutors on Preply can benefit from student reviews as well as acquiring badges that increase credibility and recognition on the platform. Students are encouraged to subscribe to their tutor, their preferred tutor. This means that tutors don't need to worry about finding different students for that particular time, but it's also nice as a tutor to see that regular student week in, week out develop and evolve and improve their confidence if they want to improve their conversational skills. When it comes down to Preply as a platform, you're going to be looking at paying a commission for the benefit of using their platform. The commission that tutors pay for regular classes are 33% initially on the platform. However, this reduces down to 18% once tutors have counted up 400 hours of tutoring. The 100% commission from the trial lesson also enables Preply to offer a free replacement trial lesson for students if they're not satisfied. This also increases the confidence between the tutor and the potential student being booked, and also guarantees increased bookings over time. Furthermore, Preply invest more into marketing and getting students from all around the world. There's a lot of support available for those that are new to Preply with the development of training programs, online sessions, workshops, cafes, as well as teaching material and the community where everybody helps each other. This wouldn't be possible if Preply hadn't invested heavily into what is now this community. I've taught hundreds of students over the years. I've taught thousands of hours on this platform, and for me it's really been such a rewarding, enjoyable experience throughout. I first started teaching in the UK during the height of the pandemic when all the schools closed down, and it was a great outlet for me to connect with students, international students, to teach English. I continued on throughout the pandemic, out of the pandemic, and I'm now here in South Korea teaching on Preply as well. You don't need to be in a physical location. You don't need to be fixed in one country. You can travel, you can teach on the platform as well. All you need is a stable internet connection, good students, a great schedule, and you're set to go. The other thing that I really like about the Preply platform is that you decide on the hourly rate that you want to set. No one's going to tell you how much you're going to be earning. You decide that yourself, but you need to consider your experience, your qualifications, as well as the sort of courses that you're going to be delivering. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up today, and I'll see you on Preply.